You can take a flathead screwdriver, remove this, loosen it, put it on here. About 6mm. Once you do that, take like a prying tool or a flathead screwdriver and you hold it right there and you pry it out. Just make sure you have the fuel filter ready to use, as gasoline is gonna leak out from this end, which is the out, and these two end, which is the end. So normally you have a bucket or any type of drain pan or anything to make sure you catch all the fluid that's gonna come off from there, the gasoline, and so you don't make a mess. And just be careful it doesn't fall on you. This, it's a 10mm. You have to remove it. Once you remove this, it's gonna come down, and then over there I have like 2 hooks. Once you pull this down, you just pull it out. You'll be good to go. You swap the new for old and put it back together. Put the hose in both sides, tighten the clamps. Don't forget to put back the vacuum hose. This vacuum hose goes straight to the intake boot. I will show you when I go on top. And pretty much that's it. So let me do it and then I will show you after I have it done. See, this is the 2 thing I was telling you about earlier. Two-lane clamp. See, so these 2 things will go in there. See, there's 2 holes, one there and one over here. That's where it goes. It goes like this, and then you just put it up and then put the screw. But not, and then you're good to go. Now let's remove this and these 2. Put the new one. Let me take it out of the box. Let me show you. So this is the new one. This is exactly how it goes. See, just like that. back up there. I have to make sure to align this, so I have to bring it down like until here. Of course this have to go up, so the rope will have to go down. I will do it now, change it, and then I will show you the finishing touch. See, it's easy to move. Just need to align it where it's supposed to. I think I have to go a little more. Quick update, I already swapped them. So this is the old one. Oops, it's leaking still. This is the old one, this is the new one. Still have a lot of gasoline inside. So when I finish tighten the clamps, because they are still loose, so they have two on this side, one on this side. Of course I would recommend for you to change them, and if you're gonna change them, if they're not good and you're gonna change them, make sure you change them before you put the new gasoline filter. So mine are good, so I'm not gonna change it. Just gonna tighten them, and after I finish tightening them, I'm gonna put back the plate, and then we're good to go. Then we're gonna go prime the system, as this is empty. This right here is empty. This needs to be full. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna we're not gonna show you after on top what we're gonna do. The vacuum lamp that I was showing you, look at right here, it goes right here. See, intake boot. I don't know if it was the previous owner or the owner before him, I don't know. So that's where they put this screw inside there. I'm gonna take it off, I'm gonna put the vacuum, and then we should be good to go. And then that's it, we finish. So I have tightened the clamps, two of them right there, these two, this one and this one, they're tight, they're not going nowhere. This is tight, of course. This is tight, this ain't going nowhere. And the piece that was in the old one was broken, wasn't good, and it was not long enough. So I have this piece here. It's not extremely long, but it's long enough. So I'm gonna insert it right here, and then insert it right inside there, and then we'll be good to go. I'm gonna put back the plate, and then we're gonna go on top, connect this hose where it's supposed to go, and then we're gonna prime the car. So the fuel filter can fill up, because it's empty right now and it's supposed to be full. Like the other one, it's full. Like, let me show you. So it's heavy. So look, if I tilt it this way, I don't know if you can see, like, see, it's full and it's heavy. I mean, compared to this one, that one is heavy. So I'm gonna show you how we will prime it, and then we just have to make sure that the fuel circulates in here, this full up, and then so on, have no air inside here, and then yeah, we should be good to go. Then we're gonna crank up the car a couple of times, and so we're gonna put it in the ignition here for a couple of times, and then for a couple of minutes. It's time to put back the plate, and the plate, we're gonna bring it up here. Bring it up, just make sure you align it to the two holes down here. Put it in, after you put it in, then you align into the holes. Now let me put one screw. I knew it, this is gonna fall. Okay, just give me 1 second. I need to put one screw, so I need to pick it up. I need to hold it. just so it could hold it so it doesn't fall. There you go. Let me put the other two screw. And there we have it. The end, all I have to do is tighten them. Now we have to put these. Just two of them. And of course, they go in there on top. So let me get my ratchet, my stanchion and everything, and then I could be able to put it in. As it's not, I mean, simple, but this is very dirty. It doesn't matter if it's dirty or not, but I won't be able to see how I have to feel. And it's uncomfortable. I think I have one in. Yes, I do. Next one. The bottom one's more difficult. That one for sure I will need a ratchet and extension.